Start. In the modern world, the rapid pace of technological advancement has completely transformed the way we live and work. Every sector of the economy is experiencing a massive shift towards automation and digital platforms. Businesses that once relied entirely on manual labor and paper records are now embracing smart solutions to improve their daily efficiency. This shift is not just a temporary trend, it represents a permanent change in the global economic landscape. One of the most significant drivers of this major change is the widespread adoption of artificial intelligence. Automation allows modern companies to streamline their operations, reduce human error, and save valuable time. Tasks that used to take several days to complete can now be finished in a matter of minutes. As a direct result, employees are free to focus on more creative and strategic tasks rather than being constantly burdened by routine work. However, the transition to a digital economy presents certain challenges. For many organizations, upgradation their existing system requires a substantial financial investment. There is also a critical need to train the current workforce to handle these now tools effectively. Without proper training, the benefits of advanced technology cannot be fully realized by the management. Therefore, educational institutions and corporate bodies must work together to provide relevant skills to the next generation of workers. In addition to business operations, communication has also undergone a massive revolution. The internet has connected people across the globe, making geographical boundaries virtually irrelevant. Teams can now collaborate in real time from different parts of the world. This has given rise to the concept of remote work, which offers great flexibility to workers and reduces operational costs for employers. While remote work has its own unique set of challenges, its long-term advantages clearly outweigh the drawbacks. Furthermore, the rise of digital marketing has changed how companies interact with their customers. Traditional advertising methods are gradually being replaced by targeted online campaigns. By analyzing consumer behavior data, businesses can create personalized content that resonates with their target audience. This modern approach not only increases sales but also builds long-term brand loyalty among consumers. As we look towards the future, it is clear that technology will continue to play a vital role in shaping our society. Innovation is no longer an option, it is an absolute necessity for survival in a highly competitive market. Organizations that fail to adapt to these changes risk falling behind. On the other hand, those that embrace new tools will find excellent opportunities for growth and success. In conclusion, the Ongoing digital transformation is rewriting the rules of progress. It demands continuous learning, adaptability, and a forward looking mindset from everyone involved. By understanding these trends and preparing for the challenges ahead, we can build a more efficient, connected, and prosperous world for future generations. The journey ahead is full of potential, and our collective success will depend entirely on how well we navigate this new digital era. Stop.